Yes, you, my skeptical friends and family. What if the information I've been posting for the last 15 months is true? What if it's as easy as I've been saying? What if all you need to do is sign up and wait for the global launch? Although I don't recommend that. It's way more fun being involved, meeting people from all over the world. I don't need you to sign up. It won't change my life, but I know it will change yours. I'm only sharing because I care for you. I was skeptical in the beginning as well, but I was open to checking it out. Now I'm very involved and understand the magnitude of what is about to happen. The caliber of the people in this company is incredible. For example, Bill Musk making this video for me. He's doing it because he can, but more so because he cares. Just remember, I told you about Onpassive. To the friends and family that are involved, you're going to be blown away. Thank you again, Bill. See you at the top. Hope to see the rest of you there as well.